Apple has just launched a brand new app called Invites, and it's a game changer for planning events. It's a great way to bring people together for some special moments in your life. For now, Invites is available only on an iPhone, but it makes event planning effortless. You can create and customize invitations with a background image, set the date and time and location, and everything you need to make your event truly special. One of the coolest features is Shared Album, where all attendees can upload and view photos and videos from the event. It also integrates seamlessly with Apple Music, so everyone can see and add to the event's playlist. With built-in maps and weather integration, guests won't just know where to go, they'll know what to expect. The app provides turn-by-turn directions to the event location and even shows the weather forecast for that day, so everyone can plan ahead. Sending invites is super simple. You can share them via message or QR code, and guests can RSVP instantly. Plus, the event synchronizes straight to their calendar. The best part is it is free to download. However, the only catch is that you will need an iCloud Plus subscription to use it. Anyone can RSVP, although, even if they don't have an Apple account or an iPhone. Have you checked out this app on your iPhone yet? This was a brief overview about the all-new app called Invites from Apple. If you found this interesting, then please share your thoughts in the comments down below. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.